leaving the secret wound to seal all your senses. You lost your empathy, all efforts forsaken. I find so hard to fear the silence you gathered. What made you still seek for more? Give in and let go of me. I wish that you could bear with me. I wish not to hear you sigh. And how I wish I could pretend I'm grateful. Forgive me my calm goodbye. Tell me you waited for me, and tell me what for. Explain why your eyes look through me. I wish I knew what for. Allow me to close this chapter. No strings attached now. See how your words still hurt me, and feel how we lose our bond. I wish that you could bear with me. I wish not to hear you sigh. And how I wish I could pretend I'm grateful. Forgive me my calm goodbye. You scream at me, and your eyes don't recognize me anymore. Your guilt has ended. Pretend not to be afraid. Proclaim not to know about this. Whatever you touch is art. You may not believe in patience, but I know my time will come. Discover the doubts within me, and watch how I fall apart. That you could forgive me. I wish not to hear you cry. And how I wish I could pretend I'm grateful instead of this grim disguise. You scream at me, and your eyes don't recognize me anymore.